Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start creating websites with Squarespace, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started with creating websites using Squarespace, begin by visiting the Squarespace website. Once there, click on the Get Started button to begin your journey. You'll be prompted to choose a template that resonates with your vision. Browse through the various categories to find a design that matches your style. After selecting a template, click on the Start with this design button. This will lead you to the Squarespace editor, where you can start customizing your site. The first step is to create an account by entering your email address and setting a password. After creating your account, you'll be directed to the dashboard. Here, you can manage all aspects of your website, including pages, design, and settings. To begin customization, click on the Design tab located in the left-hand menu. From there, you can adjust the site styles, fonts, colors, and spacing. Next, navigate to the Pages section to add or edit existing pages on your website. Click on the plus icon to add a new page, then choose the type of page you want to create. You can create standard pages, galleries, or even a blog. After adding a page, customize its content using the drag-and-drop editor. To personalize text or images, simply click on the respective block you wish to edit. For adding images, click on the image block and upload a photo from your computer or choose one from the Squarespace library. In the settings, you can enter a title, description, and keywords relevant to your content. Once you've designed your pages, preview how your site looks by clicking on the Preview button. This will allow you to see your changes in real time, ensuring everything appears as desired. If everything looks good, it's time to connect a domain. Navigate to the Settings tab and click on Domains to either purchase a new domain or connect an existing one. After connecting your domain, it's important to check your site's mobile responsiveness. Squarespace templates are generally mobile-friendly, but it's always advisable to verify that once you're satisfied with your website, you can publish it by clicking the Launch button at the top of the editor. Follow the prompts to choose your subscription plan based on your needs. Finally, once your site is live, continue to monitor and update your content regularly. This will keep your website fresh and engaging for your visitors. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.